Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to tick the horizontal line on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So first open your Google Docs, then click on the insert option, how to make a horizontal tick line. So you just open it and click on the insert option here. You can see the horizontal line option here. You just click here to make the horizontal line. So there is a 2 to 3 methods. So first method is this is the first method. You to create a thick horizontal line, just select it, then go to here and click on the black color. Select the black color. The thick horizontal line has been created, so by using this option. So this is one of the method, and I will show you can also change the color of the thick line. You can change whatever that color that you want. So you can just add the colors, then the line will be automatically as darker and thicker. So this is the first method to create the thick horizontal. And in second method, you just want to click on the underscore key on your keyboard. You just place whatever the place that you want, just click the underscore key and maximize the font size, so it will look like darker, you can see. So the line thickness can be increased by using the font size, and use the underscore key as your line. You can just format as a underscore key as your line. So the third method is you can see the size of the thick line has been increased. So this is the second method. You can use this underscore key and make it as a thick horizontal line. The third method is to go to the insert. You can click on the drawing option here, click new, and here you just want to insert a line here. You just draw a line here, a straight horizontal line, then increase the thickness of the line by using this option. You can increase whatever the thickness you want, and the color can be used, and the scale also can be modified by using this option. These are the three methods to make the horizontal line on the Google Docs. You can try this method on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. We will meet in our next video with your super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.